Good morning, student. How are you? This is Deepa ma'am, and we are going to take an activity. This activity I have taken from class 5th textbook, My English Book 5. And I know you all love to do activity because activity gives us joy and we enjoy it while learning. The learning is very effective with the activities. This activity give us the exposure to English language while interacting with our friends, speaking with our friends or teachers. You want to speak in home also, home environment or other situations. In this activity, look at this activity. This is page number 4 and 5. These are two pages. In the right hand side page, this is my right hand side page, there are some boxes full with some dialogues. There are some dialogues. Some persons are speaking to each other with various situations. And in the another page, this is my left side, this is left side page, there are some pictures. Some persons, boy or girl or some elder persons are speaking to each other in various situations. And in this activity, what we have to do? We have to, at first, you have to observe these pictures. Okay, then I am going to read the dialogues. Look carefully, listen attentively and read with me. I am going to read these dialogues. You have to listen carefully, attentively and with understanding, with comprehension. You should came to know which dialogues are suit with which picture. Okay. On the board also I have written, let's speak English. With this activity, we are going to speak English in various situations. These are two pages on my board. This side some dialogues will be there and on this side some pictures are given. We read the dialogues and guess which pictures will be suit with the dialogue. Okay, now I am going to read. Listen. May I come in please, teacher? I am trying to enact also. May I come in please, teacher? Yes, please come in. This is the dialogue. Okay, now look at these pictures. In which picture box these dialogues are suitable? Okay. In this dialogue, a teacher is there and a student. Look at the pictures. This picture. This is the classroom. Teacher is in the classroom and a kid. एक बच्चा है. A child want to ask her whether she may come in or not. Okay, this picture is most suitable for this dialogue box. Okay, then the second dialogue. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको इस पिक्चर के पास जो यहाँ पे एक जगह दी है, यहाँ पे आपको नंबर डालना है. कौन सा नंबर? द फर्स्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स is suitable for this picture. So you have to write here box number 1. You have to fill here a number 1 because first dialog box is suitable for this picture. Then the next. Hello, what's your name? I am Subhash. I am in class 5 and you? I am in class 7. My name is Shubham. You can call me Bunty. Nice to meet you, Bunty. There are two children, two boys. They are interacting to each other. Look at the pictures where you can find two boys speaking with each other. Yes. This is the picture. Two boys are speaking to each other. They are giving introduction of themselves. So this picture box is most suitable for the second dialogue box. So you have to write here number 2. Number 2. Okay. The next, what's the time? What's the time? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. कितने बजे है? क्या समय हुआ है? अभी 2 बजे है. तो बच्चों देखो, यहाँ पे टाइम के बारे में पूछा है. They are asking, somebody is asking for the time. So look at these pictures where the time is shown. Somebody is asking for time. Look. Okay. Which picture is most suitable? Yes. She is mother and this is kid. 2 friends are there. Somebody is in the window and yes, I think this is the most suitable picture. He is asking for the time and you must write there number 3. Okay. Then 4th dialogue box. Please read with me and follow me. Repeat after me. Excuse me, auntie. Can you please help me find this address? Excuse me, auntie. कोई पूछ रहा है कि क्या आप मुझे ये एड्रेस बता सकते हैं? Sure. हाँ, बिल्कुल श्योर. देखिए, आपको दिख रहा होगा कि यहाँ पे आंटी है खड़े हैं. दिस इज आंटी एंड ही इज होल्डिंग अ चीट ऑफ पेपर एंड आस्किंग हर अबाउट द एड्रेस. द मैन इज आस्किंग, द बॉय इज आस्किंग आंटी टू द address. He wants to know where this address is. This box is most suitable for dialogue number 4. Dialogue number 4. And the dialogue number 3. What's the time? She is the green vendor. ये जो यहाँ पे आंटी बैठी है, ये सब्जी बेचने के लिए बैठी है और वो शॉपकीपर से she is asking the shopkeeper कि समय कितना हुआ है. What's the time? This is dialogue number 3. Okay. Then dialogue box number 5. What are the dialogues? I am going to read. Excuse me, uncle. Is this yours? माफ कीजिए अंकल, क्या ये आपका है? Excuse me, uncle. Is this yours? Oh yes, it's mine. Thank you so much. देखो, कोई बच्चा होगा जो अंकल को पूछ रहा है कि क्या ये चीज आपकी है? Is this yours? अंकल बोलते ओ यस इट्स माइन, थैंक यू सो मच. यानी वो जो अंकल है उनकी कोई चीज गिरी होगी जो बच्चे को मिली, तो बच्चा पूछ रहा है इज दिस योर्स, क्या ये आपका है? तो अभी हम इसमें फाइंड करेंगे, ढूंढेंगे कि ये देखिए, दिस इज द पिक्चर बॉक्स. इन दिस पिक्चर बॉक्स अ स्मॉल गर्ल इज गिविंग अ पॉकेट और अ ऑब्जेक्ट. कोई चीज है, मुझे लगता है कि मनी पॉकेट है. शी इज गिविंग टू द अंकल और पूछ रही है कि क्या अंकल ये आपका है? अंकल बोले ओ इट्स माइन, थैंक यू सो मच. सो दिस पिक्चर इज बिलोंग टू द 5th dialogue box. So please write here number 5. Number 5. Okay. Now next 6th dialogue box. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. You are welcome. देखिए, इस डायलॉग बॉक्स में कोई किसी को गिफ्ट दे रहा है और वो उन्हें थैंक यू बोल रहा है. थैंक्स फॉर दिस गिफ्ट. ओके, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व द पिक्चर्स. इन विच पिक्चर वी कैन फाइंड somebody is giving gift to somebody, someone? Yes, this is the picture. I think he is a teacher. I think. Okay. And these are his students. The students gave him a gift box and he is thanking to them. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. Okay. This picture box is belong to it is suitable with the sixth dialog box. So आपको क्या करना है कि इस पिक्चर के पास ये जो खाली जगह दी है, गोल दिया है, you have to write here number 6. क्यों नंबर 6 लिखना है? क्योंकि this picture box is suitable with this 6 number dialog box. Okay. Now the dialog box number 7. I'm sorry, I broke the cup. I'm sorry, I broke the cup. Never mind. माफ कीजिए, मेरे हाथों से ये कप ब्रोक हो गया, टूट गया. कोई बात नहीं. समझ लो ये घर की बात है. किसी बच्चे के हाथ से कप गिर गया, वो टूट गया. He has broken the cup and he wants to apologize with her mother or with her sister or auntie. Now observe the pictures where you can find. Yes, this is a small kid had broken a cup and the mother said, never mind, कोई बात नहीं, होता है. Okay, this picture box is suitable for the 7th dialog box. तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to write here the number of the dialog box. What is the number? The number is 7. Okay. Then the last dialog box. This is 8th dialog box. Where are you going? We are going to the playground. Where are you going? We are going to the playground. Would you like to come with us? Would you like to come with us? क्या तुम्हें भी हमारे साथ खेलने चलना है? Yes. Please wait for me. हाँ, मुझे भी आना है. थोड़ा रुको मेरे लिए. Okay. Where are you going? We are going to the playground. Would you like to come with us? Yes. Please wait for me. देखो, कुछ बच्चे खेलने के लिए जा रहे हैं और एक बच्चा उनसे पूछ रहा है कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? बोल रहे कि हम तो ग्राउंड पे खेलने के लिए जा रहे हैं. क्या तुम भी हमारे साथ चलोगे? Yes. I want to come. Please wait for me. मेरे लिए क्या करो? रुको. तो देखो कौन सा पिक्चर बॉक्स बचा है? Yes. Our boy is peeping through a window. विंडो से झांक रहा है. Some children are going to play on the playground and he asked for wait for me for a while. In this picture the dialogues will come. Okay, so you have to write here number 8. So children, in this activity we perform a role play also. Most of role plays perform the useful language. Very useful language here in this activity we can know. Okay, how to speak with mother or how to speak with teacher, how we can respond in various situations. Now children, please do this activity in your home with your mother, with your father or the neighbors. But while performing this activity, you have to follow the norms of social distancing in this pandemic situation. So that keep learning, keep smiling, follow the norms, use mask and wash your hands for time by time with the hand wash, with the soap very cleanly. Okay, bye. फिर मिलेंगे.